Hello guys, in today's video we're gonna talk about how to create and customize a website on Ecwid for graphic and design templates business. So as we know, Ecwid is a tool that helps people make online stores. It's like a special computer program that lets you sell things on the internet. It's easy to use and can be added to websites or social media pages. So if you wanna sell things online, Ecwid can help you do it without too much trouble. So the first thing here, you have to sign up for free. So let's get started. Okay, so after you sign up, automatically it will take you to the dashboard. So wait a few seconds. So as you see here, this is the dashboard. Okay, here we're gonna set up your website and storefront. So here, set up your website and storefront, click on it, and it will take you to the editor page. Now go to the settings and go to the templates and select the templates which you want to use for your business. So for the graphic and design templates, I think isn't here, so you can select a random template and design it on your home page. So for example, I'm gonna select just a random one. Okay, I'm gonna select this one. So you have to change everything in this template. So start with the header. So go to the site logo and enter your site name. After this, go to the navigation menu. So here you can add your menu items. You can manage the navigation menu here. And now let's go back. Let's move on now to the design. So in the design of any section, you have to try your best to make your site looks attractive, so anyone can visit your site and attract your business. So make sure don't forget the simple details like the font and like the size, like the color, like add the frame outline. Okay, all this simple stuff is important to make your site looks attractive. Now let's go back, let's move on to the headline. So of course you have to change this title here. You can add yours. For example, you can introduce your business to your customers. You can type welcome. Okay, welcome to our sites for welcome to our sites for digital or no for the graphic and design templates. Okay, just simply like this. And of course you have to change, you can add the subtitle and the description. So this is depends on your business, so you can type here something about your business and your product. And the headline here, on the design, choose your favorite layout. Okay, and change the color. So this simple stuff is important. Now let's move on to the next section, the store section. Okay, so here you have to manage your products. So go back to the dashboard and click here, add your products or services. As you see here, go to the new products, and here you have to add, you can select. Okay, so so here you have to add the product gallery. So take a picture of your product and add it here on the products gallery, the name of your product. There you have the weight on kilogram, and you can add the description of your product, and don't forget to change here and customize the prices options. Okay, so after you're done, save this place here and go back to the editor and complete here the design of the background, the product name and the product image. So that's it. Now let's move on to the next section. Okay, so you have to change the title, and you have to change also the description. You can talk about your company here, and you can talk about the owner. So if you are the owner, you can talk here about yourself, something about your what makes you start your business. Okay, why should your customers buy from you or use services, something like this. And of course you have to change the image, so go to the browser and search on graphic design templates. So for example, I'm gonna choose just a random one, so you can select what kind of image you wanna add here. So this is depends on your business. Okay, so for example, I'm gonna select this one here. No, not this one. I need just simply image like. Okay, I think I'm gonna choose this one here. So of course you have to change the primary action if you want. For example, you can here add contact as like simply like this. Okay, you can add also the secondary action if you want. So in the design, choose your favorite layout here. So so before that you have to add the tagline and the title and description, don't forget this. Now let's move on to the next section. So here you have to add the title and the subtitle, and here you can talk something about what makes you start your business, something like this, your story, your experience on your business, and something you can tell your customers. Okay, and the design, choose your favorite layout. So that's it. Now let's go back, let's move on to the contacts. Okay, so here after you add the tagline and the title and the description, you can add, you have to add business address. You can enter here your exact postal address or plus code. You have to enter here the daily hours and the contact information and the social profiles, and the design, you can select this one here, the layout here, so you can scroll to zoom the map and your location, so it's simply better than the other layouts here. Okay, after this don't forget to change uh, designs here. Okay, so that's it. Now let's move on the last section here, the footer section. So you have just to enter here your company name for the copyright, and add if you want to add something new, you can just add section. You can select what kind of sections you want to add on your home page. So that's it. So before you publish your website, you go to the preview and um, verify if something needs to change here. So after you verify, you can publish your website. Okay, so that's it. After you publish, now your site it will be published. Now you can start selling, you can start your business. So that's it for today. If you like this video, don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.